Many times, potential clients in Connecticut call my office and ask how they go about applying for Social Security Disability Insurance, or SSI. In most cases, the staff at my office does not help a person with an initial application. We only represent claimants on appeal. So what I advise that person who's calling from Connecticut to do is to go to their local Social Security office and apply for SSI or Social Security Disability in person. In order to find out where your local Social Security office is, go to Social Security's website, www.ssa.gov. There will be a tab where you can put your zip code in to find your local office. Now, what I would recommend you do is first call the local office and ask for the best time for you to go and apply so you don't have a long wait. Often, they will be able to make an appointment for you so you know specifically what day and time you will be applying. When you go to the local office to apply, you're going to need to bring a list of your prescriptions. You're going to need to bring a list of your work history in the last 10 to 15 years. Do your best to remember what the names of the employers were, where they were located, what their phone numbers were. And finally, you're going to need to bring a list of all of your treating sources from the last year or so. So this includes any chiropractors, physical therapists, hospitals, or mental health providers. Now, there is also a way to apply for Social Security Disability online. I personally discourage clients from filing for Social Security online. You can go to the SSA Gov site and do this. However, in my experience, I've had many clients over the years who have become very easily confused with that process, or have thought that they completed and submitted the application only to find out months later that they did not successfully submit the entire application, and therefore they are not on record with the local Social Security office as having ever applied. So I think it's better safe than sorry to go to the local Social Security office, and upon leaving, request a printout, a written documented proof that you have successfully applied on that day at that time. Now finally, if you're bedridden or in the hospital or otherwise have lack of transportation and it's difficult for you to get to the local office, I would encourage you to apply by phone. What you do when you apply by phone is you call the local office and they will make an appointment for a time when they will call you back. Usually it takes about a month or two. And you basically sit by the phone with your list of meds, your list of treating providers, and your work history, and when Social Security calls you back, they can take your application over the phone. It's very important that you request at that time that they mail you, subsequent to your phone application, proof that that phone application was successfully done.